channel, PinkLoveSparkle. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. This is the look that I just created for you guys, a two-toned eyeshadow look. I've been loving doing looks like this, and I even did the blue and the blue and the green and the green, just like that. So just kind of fun to do. So if you like this video or any of my other videos that I've been putting out, please make sure you subscribe, and if you want to get notifications, you can hit the bell, but it'll just kind of keep you up to date. I also post on my Instagram, so if you're on Instagram or Snapchat, make sure you follow me, PinkLoveSparkle. In the meantime, please continue to watch so you can do this fun, colorful two-toned look. Hey guys, so my eyes are already prepped and ready to go. I did my brows and I did my concealer, and I'm going in with the Alamar Cosmetics palette. It was in my last video from my June 2018 Boxy Charm. When I saw this palette, these two colors right here popped at me. Like, I was like, I have to do it. So I did a tutorial already with this, but today we're going to be using both of them since this is a two-tone eyeshadow tutorial, and it's going to be very simple. So we're going to start off with our Sigma medium angled shading brush, which is E70. So the first color that we're going in with is Guantanamera right here. And we're going to take our brush and we're just going to, this palette is just super pigmented and you don't need a lot. And we're just going to add it like so. And we're just taking our blending brush and we're just blending this color out, just like that. So guys, we're going to keep this really simple today. We're going to use this color right here, El Melican. It's such a pretty, like, goldish shimmery color, and we're just going to put that in the beginning of our eyes, just like this. Just kind of like that little inner V part. We're just going to put that right there so our eyes are going to pop. So I'm going in with that color Sela, and I'm using the same brush. It's just a brush that the bristles are tightly packed together, a regular eyeshadow brush, and I'm literally just gonna put that right on my lid, just like this. And these colors are so pigmented, like, it's gonna really show up nicely. And I'm just gonna take a blending brush and kind of like blend the shimmery colors with the first color we put on together. So we're going in with this one right here. I am not even gonna attempt to say the name because I can't, but I'll give you a close-up of what the name is. You guys help me out. Anyways, we're going in with that shimmery blue color, and we're gonna do the same thing to this eye. I'm just gonna blend this out as well. I'm just gonna go in to the El Melican color, what we put, and we're just gonna put that right there. Again, just to brighten it up so it doesn't get lost. So the next step, we're going to do a winged liner for this look, and I'm just using the ink, and we're going to wing it out. It's a pretty dramatic wing we got going on, so we got to match it with this eye. So the next step, I actually just got this last week, I think. It's the Maybelline Pumped Up Mascara, and it's pretty good. I have no complaints with it. I did not pick it up because it was pink. I actually just realized that right now. I really like the brush that comes on here. It's really important to me for mascara brushes. They make a difference, so Yeah, I like this mascara. It's good. It does the job. As long as it does the job, that's all I care about. Just gonna put a coat of mascara on, and then we're gonna put some falsies on. And for this look, since it's two different eyeshadows we got going on, we need something a little bit more dramatic. So remember guys, I told you I picked up the Paris Hilton lashes. So I'm actually gonna go in and use a pair of these lashes. We're gonna use the second pair of lashes, the ones right here. So guys, talking about lashes, I have a story to tell you guys. So embarrassing, but I feel like, you know, sometimes you learn from other people's mistakes. I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Foundation in the color Tahoe. But as I'm putting it on, let me tell you guys what I did with my last pair of lashes. I was trying to clean them and do the right thing and make sure they weren't gunky and filled with glue. But as I was removing the glue, because I used the dual last adhesive in black, and unfortunately it blends really well with the band. So as I was trying to remove the old glue, I actually ripped the seam from my lashes. It was all types of bad. It was just super embarrassing, guys, because I wanted to make a video to show you how I clean my lashes, but if I'm ripping it, we're gonna have to wait a little while before I can make a video about that, because I need to get down properly, you know, foolproof, how not to do what I did. But just a little FYI, if you guys reuse your lashes and it starts getting like junky and stuff, there are videos out that tell you how to do it, but please just be super careful and don't do what I did. So I'm just blending out my foundation and I'm just blending out my concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Neutal. I am going to set my under eye concealer with the Pur Sculptor palette, and I'm using the color Trailblazer right here. Most of the time I use the color Originator, but I am getting a tan, so I don't know, Trailblazer is just, it has that golden color in it, and I'm just setting it just like this. But Trailblazer has that golden color into it, which I like, so it kind of helps me glow a little bit more. But if it was definitely in the winter time, I couldn't get away with a color like this. And I'm literally just setting my concealer just like that. I'm gonna contour using the color Inventor right here. Founder is just too dark for my complexion. I use Founder, that color, for my brows. So I've used all the colors basically in this palette. And this also was what I got in my Boxy Charm for May. And guys, I also just want to say that I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos just to pretty much keep me going. And I really want to start disciplining myself. I've been into YouTube now for 6 months, and I really want to start disciplining myself to bring you guys more videos and more content. And it takes a lot of work and time. It's more time consuming for YouTube, but I want to use more time to dedicate to really committing to YouTube. I love making videos. My only regret is that I didn't do this sooner. I really wish that I started a channel a lot sooner, which I don't feel like is too late for YouTube, because there's room for people to grow on here like every day. And I also feel like when you come on YouTube, people that are like OGs of having beauty channels and stuff, like they hit it big and they are moving on to different avenues, like, you know, actually doing campaigns with makeup companies. And, you know, not saying they leave YouTube behind, but because they have bigger deals, they're not as obligated to be on here as much. So yeah, when you think about that, when you're busy doing bigger deals and getting more endorsements to do campaigns with other companies and stuff like that, and there's only 24 hours in a day, so you can only do so much. So then, you know, that gives us, it kind of gives like the little person an opportunity as well to grow. So yes, I feel like you can still be successful and be relevant on YouTube. It's never too late to start a channel. So guys, I'm gonna go in back with these two colors, and so like the blue I'm gonna put here and the green I'm gonna put there. But yeah, I feel like it's never too late to do something that you love to do. I think you have to just really be passionate about it and commit to it. And like I said, for me personally, like I can only speak for myself, but for me personally, I want to be better at getting more content out there, because there was a video that I was watching the other day. If you're interested, I'll link it down below. But there was a video I was watching the other day, and she was saying, like, if you make only one video a year, one video a week, that's only 48 videos. But if you made a video every day, that's 365 videos, and your chances of going viral are going to be higher because you just made more videos. So when you think about it like that, it makes a lot more sense. And that's something that, ooh, that's nice. I'm just gonna blend this out. But that's something that, you know, obviously you have to have the time to do, and you have to have the dedication, and you have to have the want to do it. We're gonna go in with the color right here, La Costa, and we're gonna put that on our inner corner as well. And you know, a lot of people say they're gonna give something like a year and see how it is, but honestly, I don't think you can say that for YouTube. I think you have to just keep going, and then it'll eventually pay off. But some people pays off faster than others. I'm just using an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Vernoica, and we're just gonna rock out with that, because that other color, oh my gosh, Janae. Which actually, this liquid lipstick is pretty cool, because we went out to get food today, me and my husband, and I was eating with it and it didn't budge. And it's not a matte lipstick, so this is actually a really nice lipstick to put on. I'm gonna go back in with that Pur Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use the color Originator, and I'm just using from Luxie brushes to tape it highlighter. I'm gonna put that like right here, and then I'm gonna go back in with Trailblazer, which is what we set our under eye with. We're just gonna put that just like so. But it's already really glowing anyways. I hope the camera's picking this up. It's already really glowy, but we are in summer, so we can just be like super, you know, super extra with it. And this brush is really too big to do my nose, so I'm just gonna go in with Originator, just put a little bit and blend it out. And then I'm just using whatever's left over, and I'm just gonna put it on my forehead. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this look. This was fun to do. It was easy, as you see. And guys, I hope you come back for my next video. I'm gonna continue working on putting out not just a video a week, but putting out videos more and on a consistent basis. So please make sure you stay tuned for this wonderful YouTube journey that I'm on. I love you guys for watching, and I really hope you like this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.